In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find products on AutoDS. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate items inside the platform's marketplace, choose the ones that fit your store, and bring them into your workflow with confidence. Start by heading to the marketplace. This is the central hub where AutoDS displays a wide range of products from different suppliers. Give yourself a moment to look around. You'll typically see product images, titles, basic pricing information, and other key details at a glance. Think of this space as your showroom. It's designed to help you quickly spot items that match your niche, your brand style, and your profit goals. As you browse, focus on clarity and relevance. Ask yourself whether a product speaks to your target audience, whether the images are clear and appealing, and whether the product description seems informative enough to set the right expectations. Pay attention to the overall presentation and consider how easily you could position this item in your store. A good early filter is to consider demand, quality, and potential margin. High quality images, a straightforward title, and a descriptive summary can save you time down the line. When you find something that looks promising, select the product you prefer and click into it. This is your chance to take a closer look, review the description, check the specifications, and scan through the images. If variations are available, note the options so you know what your customers might see. Think about how the product fits your catalog. Is it complementary to what you already sell, or does it fill a gap you've been wanting to address? Once you're confident in your choice, click Import. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. AutoDS will guide you step by step to complete the import process. You may be asked to confirm certain details or review a few fields so the listing is ready to go. Move through each screen carefully, reading any notes or hints the platform provides. If you see editable areas, double-check titles, ensure pricing is sensible, and confirm that images are aligned with how you want the product presented. When you finish the prompts, your product will be queued and processed according to your selections. That's it. You clicked Marketplace, chose the product you prefer, and used Import to bring it in. Clean, simple, and efficient. If anything doesn't look right, just revisit the product and repeat the process. The on-screen guidance is there to help. Thanks for watching, and happy sourcing on AutoDS.